Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing in with your corporate account and confirming two-factor authentication. This protects access immediately. Once signed in, make the first actionable changes. Set your default signature, choose reply behavior, and enable or disable focused inbox so important mail surfaces. Make sure to link any additional aliases now. These initial steps reduce interruptions later and let you send compliant messages right away, so you can move into organizing and automating with confidence. Once your basics are set, focus on organizing incoming mail so you stop triaging constantly. You'll create a small folder hierarchy, project, action, archive, and then build rules to auto-move messages by sender, subject, or keywords. This saves hours. Make quick steps for common workflows like reply and move or forward to team. Also, set calendar blocks for focused email processing. These steps enforce discipline, reduce clutter, and let you prioritize high-value messages instead of reacting to every ping. Now you'll polish how you send mail. Use templates for common replies, enable delay send for 1-2 minutes to catch mistakes, and include contact groups to reach teams quickly. Add sensitivity labels when sharing confidential info and always confirm attachments and calendar times before sending. If something goes wrong, like mail not syncing, restart Outlook, verify server and network settings, and clear the local cache. Those fixes resolve most issues. If needed, contact IT with precise error text so they can help fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.